Same kurta, same person. No makeup change and no dupatta. Let's see if these 6 oxidized jewelry can completely change a simple look. If you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Pooja and you're watching Style and Beyond. Now please subscribe to the channel because I bring in some unique finds you surely don't want to miss. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Now these are my top 6 grab and go earrings. If you are someone who wears oxidized jewelry, if you love oxidized jewelry and you wear kurtas to casual outings, to office or family gatherings or to temple visit, then this video is for you. Let's see which one we have on the number 1 today is this. This is such a beautiful long small jhumkas and tear long earrings. I think this is perfect for, these are perfect for your college visits or casual outings, for your brunch dates or a coffee date. I think these are that earrings that you can like casually wear outside. Now stick to the video till end because I'm gonna style these and show it to you. So watch the video till end. Now the next one, the second one, are for our Seedhi Saadi girls who want to visit temples or attend a family gathering or a small puja at home. I think this peacock detailing earring is such a perfect pick for that. The next one is for all my bohemian lover girls who want to experiment a little with their look, who is very artistic. So you can actually wear these for your art exhibition visits or visits to flea market or to a run to a bookstore. I think this is such a perfect pick for that because it has got these ghungroo detailing and these mesh detail. It's a perfect pick for that. Now the next one are all for my professional girls, somebody who's running business or a job, going to a job. This one is a perfect pick. It's simple, it's cylindrical, it has got a very minimalistic design to it, and that's why you can actually wear these to your formal meetings and formal gatherings. I think if you're a teacher or a professor, this is instantly going to make you look very professional, very sophisticated and polished. I think this is that for you. And the next one is a jhumka. Now every girl should have a jhumka in your collection because jhumkas can never go wrong, especially these simple minimalistic ones. I mean, it has got great detailing though, but I think this is one earring that is like no brainer to me. Like I can like quickly grab this and pair it up with anything and still look good because they will never go wrong. I think great for casual outings. And the next one are for those girlies who love attention, who would want to enter a room and instantly grab all the attention on them, and also they are a little bit of daring and bold. Then this one is for them. It's a big dome jhumka. They're really big but very light. It's not heavy, it just looks big but they're not heavy. I think this is such a fun earring for those who can carry it off, those who can pull it off. I think it's such a great fashion piece. I think so good for Navratris also. It's a little too dressy festive. I think these are for those girls, and there's a fun story behind it. Now when I instantly saw this in a store, I really loved this one, so I walked up to the person and I inquired about the price. Now before telling the price, he told me this, that nobody has ever even looked at those earrings or inquired about it, and he was like, you give you how much ever you want to, if you really like it, just take it, because nobody inquired about this. I mean, why? This is such a fun earring. And when I walked up to the person, I went in a fear कि ये sold out ना हो जाए. जितने का भी है ये, I should just take it because I loved it the moment I saw it, and I actually wear big earrings. You've seen my previous videos and you know I'm a big earrings girl, so I loved this one, and this was such a steal deal. He gave me this for 200, or rather I gave him 200. Let me know if it is worth 200 rupees. I got this from commercial streets and sometimes it can be expensive there. So I think the 200 rupees which I gave him was a fair price for such a big size earring. The fact that nobody was taking it, I could have offered him a little less, but I felt it was worth 200 and it was a great deal for 200. Now let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. I think every earring that I showed you today had a personality of its own. Agree, right? So let me know which one would you wear, or which one you would steal from me for sure. In the next video, I'm going to bring more beautiful and amazing and fun earrings for you, or fun jewelry for you. You never know what is coming next. So subscribe and wait for the next video. Support your girl, and I'll see you later, alligators. Bye.